today's exercise is a shoulder press. Now there's a few ways to do shoulder press, but we're going to be we keep this nice and simple. And again, we want to keep a stable core, so we don't want to see a breaking of the hips as we're pushing up above our head. This will show that we have a lack of range of motion in the ability to do shoulder press. If you've got a lack of range of motion above your head, the best thing to do is actually sit down when you do shoulder press and get a bench that has a slight decline, so you're sitting back, and then therefore the shoulder position, you're pushing up more in front of you rather than pushing up right above your head. But you will still keep gravity at a vertical position. So from here, we just want to have the hands in the neutral position, tips of the dumbbells touching the shoulder, and you can push up above your head so your biceps touch your ears, then come back down into this position, same position we were, making sure the wrists stay straight the whole time. We don't want to see bending of the wrists in or out, or flaring of the elbows in or out like so. Everything should stay at simple 90-degree angles, just stay in control, and then coming back down. Okay, if you can't keep that, there's either a problem in your range of motion, so you physically can't do that normally anyway, or there's a problem with the amount of weight you're lifting. If you have a problem with doing the exercise and you don't have the range of motion to do it, like I said, sit down, get a slight decline in the bench, so you'll be sitting down at more of an angle and pushing. If we look at it, imagine this way, you'll be sitting here and pushing up like so. This will take the pressure off the shoulder in terms of the amount of range of motion it will need. And if you still can't do the exercise, probably lifting too much weight, drop the weight down. Shoulders, for many people, you have to start with a low weight and build yourself up. Start with a low weight, getting your proper stability, and then building the weight in the exercise is much more important than lifting heavy straight away. Give that a try, and let me know if you have any problems.